same setup, new video, because this one's my shopping from Carnival in Bangkok, again at Central World. Now Central World is a mall where Atmos, Carnival and also 24 Kilates of Bangkok, who unfortunately are shutting down, are based in. So I went to Carnival and this was actually going to be my birthday pickup, but then the guys at the store packed the wrong product and I went in the next day, which was on my birthday, to swap it. But all that aside, let's get to what's in it. Oh, starting off first, a sticker from Carnival, which incidentally right here I have a second one from my previous trip that I just took out of my suitcase. I mean, the previous trip was about 2 years ago, but this sticker was still sitting in my suitcase through all of my subsequent travels. But I also picked up this pair of like a technical cargo kind of a shorts. And I have Carnival products. The last time I was in Thailand, I picked up parachute pants from them, which I wore through this trip as well. And this one's this olive-ish kind of cargo shorts. You can see the Carnival branding right there. And they have a nice fit. They have these adjustable straps on the side so you can tighten your waist. The only problem that I found with this is that this button is not very secure. This is not bad, but it's not as secure as it should be. Maybe if it doesn't hold up, I'll have to get it changed. Now with that out of the way, let's get to the hero product of this video. We have a Carnival branded box, so it's a Carnival product. And this one, like you can see, is the Sabotage Solid Mule. Now Sabotage is an artist that's based out of Singapore, if I'm not mistaken. He's done multiple collabs like with New Balance and other stuff. He also customizes products and makes like small batch runs of really cool stuff. And I've been a fan of Sabotage. I've never just had a chance to purchase something of his. And this is the first time that I got to lay my hands on it. And you can see that Sabotage writes it in a very Arabic kind of a font that reads Sabotage. And this is a true size 9, which is a 42, but I'm actually a 42.5. However, I tried the size up, which was a size 10. They didn't have half sizes, and that was too big, like my heel was slipping out. So I decided to go with a UK 8 and a US 9. And without much further ado, let's lift the lid open. If you guys are following me on Instagram already, if you aren't, you should. You probably have seen this tease on my stories, but here you have more of the Carnival Solid Mule branding. And bam! The Carnival Solid Mule done with Sabotage. I think a lot of stuff that I picked up were olive, like you've seen in my previous video. It's not olive, but more colors of green. But even the shorts that I picked up were olive. And now I have this Solid Mule by Carnival that's also done in an olive colorway. Let's go through the details on it. On the heel right here, you have that Carnival branding. And on the side of the clog, this I think is a really nice looking clog or mule or whatever you choose to call it. This is your outsole. You have more of that Carnival branding and the sizing printed on. And look at the side profile with this Velcro adjustable strap on both sides. And here you have the Carnival and Sabotage branding along with the serial numbers or the lot number of the product. No branding on the strap per se, but then you come over to the front and you have these bones like your feet. I never knew that the big toe looks like this underneath. I understand the pinky. Do we call the last toe on the feet also pinky, or is the pinky just this thing? Anyway, let me know in the comments if you know. And then you have the Sabotage branding done right here as well. This one's a pretty basic solid mule, so there's nothing I can talk to you in terms of tech spec. This is a regular EVA foam kind of a thing, so the upper and the midsole and the out is all like one piece. Maybe it's fused over here, but there's nothing I can tell you about text. The comfort on this is kind of what you would expect from, say, a pair of Crocs. I'm gonna slip these on feet right now so you can see what they look like.
In the darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do we go? In your head when in the real world there's snow. Oh, I know. 'Cause 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 I know. ' I know how you
Shlabam! That's it for this video, you guys. I love this clog. It's something out of the ordinary. It's something that you'd not see on the regular out there, which is what made me fall in love with them. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. If you haven't already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.
know when I'm